Okay, let's listen. Let's look at what are the ingredients for chicken ghee masala. Okay, அங்க chicken Okay, inga this is about 2 chicken because I'm going to cook for my staffs today. Seriya? So what I did, because I want to cook fast, I don't want to take a long time on my life. So what I do, I put little turmeric powder, garlic ginger paste and salt. உப்பு இஞ்சி பூண்டு மஞ்சத்தூள் நல்லா சிக்கனோட mix பண்ணிட்டு you mix it nicely and you fry the chicken. சரியா? கோழியை நல்லா பொரிச்சு எடுத்துருங்க. ரொம்ப மொறு வேணாம், பொரிச்சாலே போதும், எடுத்துருங்க. சரியா? ஓகே, இது கோழி. அம்மா சரியான கனங்க. ஓகே, அடுத்தது we are going to make this chili paste. மிளகா சாந்து paste we are going to do. How will this be? Okay, I'm going to show you how to do the paste. You take chili kering, dry chili, kanja milagai, vengayam. Okay, for 1 kg chicken, you use about 20 chili kering. This is spicier. After that, about 3 to 4 onions, little ginger, very little, and about 5-6 garlic. Seriya? Okay, what you do with all this, you put oil and you fry all together. Nalla பொரிச்சு எடுத்துருங்க. காஞ்ச மிளகா, வெங்காயம், இஞ்சி, பூண்டு நல்லா எண்ணெயை ஊத்தி பொரிச்சு எடுத்துட்டோம்னா, பொரிச்சு எடுத்து then you put water in your blender and you blend it into this paste. Remember, this is very important. சரியா? Okay, இப்போ வந்து we have got turmeric powder, garam masala. If you don't have garam masala, replace with meat curry powder. Okay, yeah. Then yogurt. Yogurt வேணானாலும் forget about it. Okay. Then biryani leaf, bay leaf, cinnamon. Okay, pattai, பூவு, star anise, clove, கிராம்பு and cardamom, ஏலக்காய். Remember, some people don't like all this. You can ignore, don't worry. Okay, you put in whatever you want to put. And of course, you need fennel and பெருஞ்சீரகம். Okay, இதை இங்க வச்சிரேன். சரியா? அப்புறமேல we need onion. We need a lot of onion. For 1 kg chicken, you need about another 5 onion. Cut it into thin slices. சரியா? Okay. அடுத்தது red chili, cut it long. Coriander leaf, மல்லி இலை, and of course limau. Lime அங்க. சரியா? Okay, இப்போ நம்ம சமைக்க போறோம். Okay, since we call this ghee chicken. Okay, so I'm going to use this ghee today, ghee blend. This is all I have at home. I've got yashkari, but today, since I'm cooking for a big volume, I'm going to jimat a bit. Okay, I'm going to save and I'm going to use ghee blend. Okay, we heat up the oil. Serianga, heat up the wok. Sattiya soodu kattittu. You know the chicken that I fried, the oil got balanced. I'm going to use the oil, right? Ghee you can replace with oil also, or this oil you can replace with ghee, right? Seriya புரிஞ்சுதாங்க? Hi, good morning. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yes, very nice Arya. Thank you. Okay, guys. This oil is the oil that I fried chicken. Now you put in ghee because this is a ghee fry, you have to put lot of ghee. Sariyanga. In India they call this chicken ghee roast. Means it's a dry masala with ghee. Sariya? Okay, அதே மாதிரி தான் நம்ம செய்ய போறோம் இன்னைக்கு. Hi, what's for breakfast? Good morning. Hi. Thank you so much for watching, sis. Okay, now, என்ன சூடாயிருச்சு, I'm going to put in fennel, பெருஞ்சீரகத்தை போடுங்க. And then cardamom, clove, star anise and cinnamon, பட்டை, பூவு, கிராம்பு, ஏலக்காய், bay leaf எல்லாத்தையும் போடுறோங்க. போட்டாச்சா? Hi, good morning. Dino, Clara, good morning. Ranjini, thank you so much. Hi. Okay, இது once ready, put in all the onions. Okay, அங்க onion நல்லா போட்டு வதக்கணும். And of course I've got garlic ginger paste, which I forgot to mention. Sister, yes, you want my payasam recipe? I've got pandan payasam recipe in Kala Amma channel, Kala Amma cooking YouTube லங்க. So subscribe பண்ண மறந்துடாதீங்க. அதுல pandan payasam bestங்க. Okay, next week I'll try to share with you different types of payasam. Nutty payasam, என்னென்னோ பாயாசங்க, ஷெப்ரான் பாயாசம், எல்லா பாயாசமும் நான் உங்களுக்கு சொல்லி கொடுக்குறேன். ஒன்னொன்னாங்க மறந்து போகுது. Okay, after putting onion and garlic ginger paste, you must really kachau nicely enga. Okay, kachau until the onion must change color. Okay, some people they don't want to fry the chicken, because if you have time, no need to fry. Okay, you just after the onion you just put in and you cook for a long time. But since I've got very short time, I need to go to work, so I have fried the chicken little bit so that I don't take a long time to cook. Seriyange? Yes anga, yes Shirley, and back to business. Yes, and we follow SOP. Remember, if you want to come to our Ayurvedic, you must be fully vaccinated and must be 14 days minimum. Okay, Ange? And each of you, when you come, you have to check, we'll check temperature, you have to scan, and in front of you, we will sanitize the place, the equipments all. Sariyanga, we are very careful. Right? Okay, now the onion changed color already. This is the time I'm going to put the chili paste anga. Pottunga. Okay, anga nalla the chili paste, since we already fried the chili. Okay, the chili paste you don't need to cook for a long time. It's going to see adu telikidunga, paathe saminga. Okay, this is short while only. Salila pochunga. Yes, someone was telling I should wear apron. Okay, it's okay. I found a few ways to wash my saris. Okay, so I wash and it's dirty. Hi, good morning. Today, chicken ghee masala to be eaten with tomato rice, cucumber raita and brinjal yogurt. I've cooked all and okay, now chili paste, since you already fry it, you don't need to cook for a long time. This is the time I want you to add on the chicken. Amma. Okay, nalla potu mix பண்ணுங்க. Okay, we reduce the flame. நல்லா நெருப்பை குறைச்சு வெச்சுக்கலாம். சரியாங்க? Hi. When we use ghee anga, the smell is so good. சரியாங்க? Yes, sister. For me, the commitment is important. Although I'm previously when I start cooking for all of you, during that time I was at home only because our spa business, our Pusat Kechantika not allowed to open. Okay, our Ayurvedic center. So what happened? I started cooking. Now since I've gone to work, I still have time to cook for all of you. Because if someone telling that yo nerame illa appadinu, that means you're not good in managing your time. Okay, I hope I'm good in managing my time. And Saria, hi, good morning. Okay, this is the time. Don't forget that you need to add the yogurt. Yogurt கொட்டுங்க, நல்லா கொட்டுங்க. கொட்டி இது நல்லா வதக்கணுங்க. You have to mix. And then this is the time you put in little garam masala. Okay, I'm putting about 1.5 tablespoon garam masala and little turmeric powder. Okay, and of course salt. And you mix it nicely. Okay, nalla mix பண்ணனும். Okay, very nice la. Some people they actually fry coconut and they put it inside. நல்லா இருக்கும் coconut fry பண்ணி போட்டா. Fry and blend it with your chili. It's very nice also. Okay, if you think that you want to add on your ghee, you can add on. Hi, Dr. Anand Virkar. Sasrikal. She's my best friend. She's a dentist. Very famous dentist in Gomba. Okay. Okay, now I've added on the ghee. More ghee, nicer. Okay. Good morning. Thank you, sir. Okay, nalla kachao பண்ணுங்க. Kachao. Going to check. Salt is good enough. Okay, very nice. Okay, put it in like this and kachao. This is the time I'm going to close and let it cook short while. Okay, இப்ப கதை அடிக்கலாம் நம்மங்க. Just a minute. Hi. Okay. Hi, I love you too. Thank you. How are you all? Okay, for those who wants to come to Ayurvedic, please come. But before that, please inbox us, WhatsApp பண்ணுங்க, call பண்ணுங்க. We are in Prima Sri Gomba Batu Caves. We have been doing this business for almost 16 years. Okay, any problem, hair problem, face problem, body problem, arthritis, psoriasis, eczema, spine disorders, okay, autoimmune disorders, all that. Whatever we can help you, we will help you. Saria, hi, good morning. Thank you. Okay, okay, nalla vaasam varudunga. Okay, when you cook, you must ensure the oil must come up. Then your cooking good ready. Okay, nalla moodi da samikkanum because thelikum. Hi, Karamjit, I miss you also. Hi, Prema. Hi, condenses. You know, when I start cooking like this, many opportunities are coming on my way. அதில் ஒன்று வந்து நீங்கள் எல்லாம் ஒரு ஆளாக என் சென்டருக்கு வாரீங்க, என்னோட ஜாமான் என்னோட ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ்லாம் வாங்குறீங்க, ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம், ரொம்ப தேங்க்யூ அங்கே. ஓகே, ரெண்டாவது வந்து many people are calling me to become a speaker, to give motivation talk. ஒன்று ரெண்டாவது வந்து people call to talk about hair care, the like cancer society அவங்கெல்லாம் என்னை கூப்பிடுறாங்க hair care பற்றி பேசுறதுக்கு. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so அதனால இங்க உங்களுக்கு ஒரு பாடம் என்னன்னா, always believe in your capability, always believe in what you can do. Okay, because when you believe in yourself, all the opportunities, all the doors will open up. சரியா? ஸோ அதனால யாரு என்ன வேணும்னாலும் சொல்லிட்டு போட்டோம், நம்ம நல்லதே நினைப்போம், நல்லதே நமக்கு நடக்குங்க. சரியா? Okay, now slow down the fire. I think my masala, you can see, yummy langa. Okay, the oil all coming up. This is the time I'm going to put the coriander leaf. Okay, malli ele potrunga konjam. I think I want to keep to kiyasla. Okay, and then red chili. put it inside. Just red chili is just to give some color lah to your cooking and சரியா இந்த மசாலாங்க once you learn to cook this ghee masala every day not every day you feel like every week you want to cook this, your relative comes you want to cook this, you can eat this with plain rice with rasam, or you can eat this with nei soru, ghee rice, tomato rice, biryani rice. நல்லா இருக்குங்க. அப்பப்ப பாத்துக்கணும் சாரியா வீணா போயிடும் அப்படின்னு. ஓகேயா? Okay, nice. Already cooked tanga. See. Lastly, when you're going to off, I'm going to off the stove. This is the time you add on the lime juice. Lime again, don't put so much. About half the lime is enough. Okay, lime juice will give it a little twist and a nice taste. அப்படியே அந்த taste அந்த உரப்பையும் அந்த இதையும் அப்படி தூக்கி விடும். Very nice. Yes, Dr. Anand Virko. Yeah, I miss doing the motivational program for ladies. Okay, our Dr. Anand Virko is the laughter therapy. She's very good. She can make you laugh a lot. Okay, sirichal noi pogon solluvangle adanga. Okay, now I'm going to show you what I have cooked to eat with my chicken ghee masala. You can see here I've got cucumber with yogurt. Okay, cucumber yogurt. I've shared the recipe before. And also little raita, cucumber raita. And now we are going to add this chicken masala here. So yummy okay, you no need any more curry just eat with this is good enough. See how nice it is. Parunga. Okay, Sunday is a festival day in my home. Okay, it's just that I cannot eat with my family member because I go to work. அதனால நம்ம சமைக்கிறத மறந்துடக்கூடாது. குடும்பத்துக்கு, ஹஸ்பண்டுக்கு, பிள்ளைங்களுக்குலாம் இது சமைச்சு வச்சிருக்கோம். டொமேட்டோ ரைஸ், சிக்கன் கீ மசாலா, ரைத்தாங்க அண்ட் பரட்டி இதை சாப்பிட்டோன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்களேன், அவ்வளோ நல்லா இருக்கும். சரியாங்க? ஓகே, cook and makan. Don't forget how it looks. Yes, it looks so good, isn't it? ஓகே, பார்த்துட்டு வாய் மட்டும் ஊறாம போய் சமைங்க. சரியா? எல்லா ரெசிபியும் நான் உங்களுக்கு ஷேர் பண்ணிட்டேன், அதனால போய் சமைச்சு சாப்பிடுங்க. ஓகே, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share Kala Amma Cooking Channel. And also for those who have been asking about all my products, okay akka mogam pala palan irukano alaga irukanona avaram poo soap irukku. Adi if you have pimples na pungai soap, and you want a nice cream which keep you glowing, smooth face, we have got Ayurvedic day and night cream 2 in 1 ore bottle. Okay anga, sorry, talk to me later. Thank you so much. I'll see you all tomorrow. Vanakkanga. Bye. Have a great day.